Hello friends, welcome back to TechUnboxPro. Today, I'm bringing you one of Samsung's most exciting mid-range releases of 2025, the brand new Samsung Galaxy A27 Pro 5G. The Samsung Galaxy A27 Pro 5G takes the A series to a whole new level with upgraded performance, stylish design, and a camera setup that feels premium. Starting with the design, the A27 Pro features a sleek matte finish, a lightweight body, and a polished frame that gives it a flagship-like appearance. The 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate delivers rich colors, smooth animations, and a very sharp viewing experience. Inside, the A27 Pro runs on Samsung's upgraded Exynos chipset paired with fast RAM and storage options, making everyday usage extremely smooth. Multitasking, gaming, and video streaming feel effortless. Samsung's new cooling system also helps maintain stability even during long gaming sessions. The camera system is another big highlight. The 108 megapixels main sensor captures impressive detail, while the ultra-wide lens and macro sensor offer versatility. Low-light shots are clearer, brighter, and packed with detail thanks to Samsung's AI image processing. Video recording is stable and perfect for content creators. Battery life is one of its strongest features, with a 5500 mAh battery supported by 45W fast charging. This ensures long usage time without worrying about running out of power during the day. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A27 Pro 5G is a powerful, stylish, and value-packed smartphone that brings premium performance to the mid-range category. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to TechUnboxPro for more high-quality mobile videos.